Okay, it's a soggy late Friday morning. I'm down at Albury trying out my new camera mount, which is a neck band. I put up a picture of it in the video if I made one. Just decided to come down here and have a last go at the river. I'm not sure how the river will fish. There's a bit of water on it, but it's still quite clear, and that helps me feel quite positive about what might happen today. We'll see. We've had a lot of heavy rain this morning. It has started to clear up a little bit, and the forecast for later is to be dry. So I'm just going to give it a quick go. I'll know by the time I get up the river, this part here, if there's any likelihood of catching anything. And if there isn't, I'm going to go down onto the lake at Powdermills and get some fish for the freezer. So that's the plan. Rod as always, 7'6" Witchwood, river and stream. It looks like about a 9-foot tapered leader and tippet, 6/8 tippet. Then I've got a size 14, looks like silver bead pheasant tail nymph with a off orange collar. And yeah, we'll see how all this goes. So I'm getting used to the angles of this camera and how it sits. So let's see what happens as we go along. I did have some silly notion of fishing a dry fly today, but I don't really think that's going to happen. Don't know whether this weather will encourage any fish out at all. Let's just see what happens, shall we? The water is surprisingly clear, considering how much water is flowing through. I'm hoping that might mean the fish may come out. Just have to try it, you know. I just realised I've forgotten my glasses. But, let's see what happens. See the line there. Okay. Oh no, phew. I think it was a lot siltier. Because the water was a lot darker, I wouldn't bother, but you never know. Hello. I might swap the tungsten bead. days they actually had one. Hooked into one. So they are out, showing where they are. Clear the water. Oh. That's a nice size one as well. Definitely twisted anyway. That's not going to come back. It's a shame, that was a nice size one. This river. Come on, Rob. It's the third one that slipped you off the hook. Okay, the hook is too big, obviously. We're going to go smaller on the hook, I think is what needs to be done. Put her in. Oh. Okay. Two. Trying to nice and wet anyway. Okay, come on. There we are. Lovely fish. Here you go. Good. It's so slippery at the moment. So we've hooked 4, and netted 1. Okay, so lovely time on the river over at Westons. 5 hooks, 1 to the net, unfortunately, but there we are. Now come down to Powdermills, sorry, for a couple of hours. So we get a few trout at the table. Water's looking nice and clear. Let's just get signed in. There we are. Okay. I'm going to do just 3 hooks. Just wandering along further up the lake. Of course, if I saw anything fishing swimming in the river, you just have to go for it. Oh, hello, got plenty of fish there. Okay, good. That's a good sign. What I'll do is I'll start here. Give this a go. Oh, there you go, saw him come in and take that. You're not going under there. Stay out of those reeds, young man. Definitely came as if you wanted that, didn't you? Well, that's your fault for being greedy. Come on. There we are. Fish number 1. Okay. There we go. First fish. Nice. Okay. Let's see if we can't go and get another. I don't know how much that you'll have seen on the camera, but I saw that fish come barreling in for it. It was going to take it, no question. There's 1, 2, coming off, it's following it. There we are. Came right in, just took that. Cooler water's obviously got them fired up. Oof. Someone's coming. Oof, this one is definitely fighting. So thank you. Nice fish. Yes. Oh, I saw him come in and take that. Okay, I was just thinking, I'm just going to carry on swimming along here, so I don't need to worry about this. Okay. So are you going to wake up for me, or are you just going to... Oh, come on, wake up. Okay. Oh, blimey. Hello, you're a big one, aren't you? Wow. Crikey. Okay.